You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this recipe. We'll be looking at how to say more food names as well that too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. There are indeed two different pronunciations that are correct indeed, and that's why you probably have been wondering. Satay, and that's probably more the British pronunciation. In the UK, satay, while in the US it's generally pronounced the other way around, rather as satay. Satay in the US, American English, or satay in British English. So both pronunciations are indeed correct. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.